Njengoba ihlabathi namhlanje liqaphela usuku lokuqubisana nendlala, i-SASCO ngokubambisana nabakwa-PepsiCo ibhiyozele olusuku nabantwana beziko lemfundo yabancinci iThabisong Day Care Center e-Alexandra. Iphulo lalonyaka elinomxholo othi umntwana olambileyo akanokuba ngumntwana nje, lijolise ekukhuthazeni ukutya okunempilo nokuqinisekisa ukuba abantwana baqala usuku lwabo ngokutya okufanelekileyo. Abaququzeleli bathi eli phulo liza kuqhubeka ngaphaya kwanamhlanje ngenkqubo yesidlo sakusasa semihla ngemihla ngokubambisana nesebe lezemfundo esisiseko, ngelixa bekwacela iinkampani ezininzi ukuba zixhase imizamo yokulwa nendlala kwihlabathi jikelele.
Inkampani iSASCO ihambisana nePepsiCo bathi bakuqonda kahle ukuthi isisu kasikweledwa nokungakho besukume babhukula bayokwelula isandla eThabisong Daycare okungenye yeinkulisa eyise-Alexandra okwenzeke ngosuku lwe-World Hunger Day.
SASCO is not a one-hit wonder. Asqali ukuza la eThabisong. We've been here very many years, and our program is ongoing. Outside of the things that SASCO does in this community, PepsiCo, which is our holding company, also has feeding programs that happen all across the country with some of our other partner brands. So we're not a one-hit wonder. It isn't just about World Hunger Day. Whilst that is very important, we have a lot of initiatives that are happening every single day in schools across South Africa. This is one of the partner preschools that we've been working with over the years. 2 years ago, we had a program where we were going into schools, building playgrounds in underprivileged communities, and we thought today, it being World Hunger Day, it made sense for us to come back to where we started and make some meals for the children at Thabisong Center.
Le nkampani beyisiphonsa inselelo kwezinye izinkampani ukuthi zingasongi izandla zilinde uhulumeni, kepha-ke nazo ziphose zivivaneni ukuthuthukisa imiphakathi yaseNingizimu Afrika.
I'd really like to challenge my colleagues in the fast-moving consumer goods space where we are working with food. I really want to say, let us look in the areas. There's a lot of need in South Africa. We cannot wait for our government to do everything. Wherever we can actually intervene, we should. So I am really encouraging them that let's do programs, let's go back into the communities and really give back to the very people that are buying our products on an every single day basis.
IPepsiCo ngokubambisana neSASCO bathi-ke bayaqhubeka nomkhankaso wokuhlinzeka ngesidlo sasekuseni ezikoleni ezihlukene ezweni lonke lapho bebambisene khona nomnyango wezemfundo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Myeni ngise-Alexandra.